Hi everyone! It's so nice to see everyone again. My name is Kyla Isabel Yaneza. I am 29 years old. And my diagnosis...
Bago ang pandemya, masigasig sa paghahanap ng trabaho ang nooy 27 taong gulang na si Kyla. Tulad ni Cherry, aktibo si Kyla at walang bisyo. Pero gaano man kaingat si Kyla sa kanyang sarili, hindi siya nakaligtas sa kinatatakutang karamdaman. Isa si Kyla sa mga nagkaroon ng isang pambihirang uri ng cancer, ang stage 4B endometrial clear cell carcinoma o cancer sa matres. Taong 2021 nang ma-diagnose si Kyla nito.
Wala masyadong symptoms but it was only bleeding. So, nag-normal menstruation. Minsan, nag-heavy menstruation ako. That time, I was only 27 years old. So, normal sa babae na mag-mens. Wala siyang indicator na cancer siya. So, yun lang yung naging pakiramdam ko. Yung sakit ng para kang nagdidysmenorrhea. Yung first reaction ko was, I was so shocked. Hindi kasi namin inaasahan because I was so young to have clear cell. Natigil niya yung mga planong gusto kong mapuntahan, yung mga gusto kong marating in life. So, ganun yung pakiramdam. Parang it's not, parang nawindang ka, parang gustong gumuho ng mundo mo na hindi mo naiintindihan na yung pakiramdam.
Ang takot at pangamba ni Kyla lalo pang nadagdagan nang taningan siya ng kanyang doktor ng 6 na buwan.
Nung nalaman ko na cancer, kasi syempre anybody na masasabihan kang may cancer ka, alam mong parang ang ikli ng time mo. Pero alam mong parang maikli ang buhay mo na pag may cancer, kahit hindi mo alam kung ano yung duration, kung hanggang kailan kang mabubuhay. When my medical oncologist said that I don't believe, Kyla, na you just have 6 months. Kasi nangyari dati is, nagtanong din kami sa outside of the country. Sabi na, wala na yan. Clear cell is super hirap niyan. I believe God has a purpose and He will be the one to heal you. I am just an instrument. So, nung sinabi niya yun sa akin, it gave me hope. Though I have to give up everything, I have to focus on my cancer.
Uwi na tayo.
Sa pag-asang gumaling mula sa cancer, sumailalim si Kyla sa total hysterectomy o pagtatanggal ng buong reproductive system ng isang babae.
Pinakitaan pa ako ng OB-GYN ko ng model of my reproductive system, no? Sabi niya, Kyla, these all have to go. Sabi ko, lahat, pati yung ovaries, lahat. Kasi yung clear cell nga, super bilis.
Hi.
Matatanggalan ka ng buhok mo, your mental health is challenged, papayat ka, lahat ng different bodily changes. At the same time of receiving chemotherapy effects and immunotherapy effects eventually, sobrang hirap.
Today is May 26 and I am on my 19th immunotherapy.
Ang mahirap na pinagdaraanan ginamit ni Kyla para gampanan ng misyon na makatulong sa iba.
I documented my journey. I placed a Facebook page which is Kyla Fights Cancer. And eventually it paved the way for other cancer patients who were newly diagnosed to go there and then seek support also sa akin. Kasi feeling ko, kung hindi ko na-undergo itong circumstances na ito, hindi ko mararamdaman kung anong feeling, kung anong pakiramdam ng magka-cancer ka, or hindi ko mararamdaman kung anong pinagdadaanan ng ibang cancer patients.
Immunotherapy number 36 today. Here's my life sa akin ever since. Happy graduation day. Finally, 2022 to 2024.